The honey badger verse of the day today is Jeremiah 17:7-8. Blessed is the one who trusts in the Lord, whose confidence is in him. He is like a tree planted by the water, which sends its roots to the stream. He has no fear when heat comes. His leaves are always green. He has no worry in year of drought, never fails to bear fruit. In Jeremiah, in our context that he was writing, he was in exile. It would have been very easy for him to lose hope. The 70 years was coming up, and God was coming up on the time to bring them out of exile. And sometimes we feel abandoned. Sometimes we feel dry inside. Sometimes we feel like, where is God? And during these times, we need to trust in the Lord. And during a time of drought, when we trust God, our roots grow deeper, and we come to the source, God, and we see him come through. It says in Genesis 26:12, and Isaac planted a crop in the land in a time of drought, and the same year reaped 100-fold. Now in Israel, which is a desert, a good crop is for every one seed you sow, you get 5 in return. So that's 20%. And 100%, that denies thermodynamics, and it can only happen one way, a miracle through God. So when we go through times of drought, when we go through times when we feel alone, let us look to God. Romans 5:5 says, and hope does not disappoint us, because God has poured out his love into our hearts through the Holy Spirit whom he has given us. And as we put our hope in God, the Holy Spirit will guide us, direct us, and fill us with hope, fill us with peace, and fill us with the love of God. What are things you need to trust God in right now? What are some miracles you're looking for God for? And if you like this video, subscribe.